हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग वेल। सो इस वीडियो में आप लोग आईसीएसई 10th का जो फोर्स का प्रेडिक्टेड क्वेश्चन है उसके बारे में जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में। तो ये सारा क्वेश्चन जो है वे प्रेडिक्ट किया गया है कि आपके साथ जो क्वेश्चन पेपर है उसमें आएगा बेसिकली क्लास 10th का। तो देखिए, व्हाट डू मीन बाय टर्निंग इफेक्ट, टॉर्क, व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द टॉर्क, डिफाइन द मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स, स्टेट इट्स एसआई यूनिट, what is the sign convention associated with clockwise and anti-clockwise movement, what is a couple, give examples of movements produced due to a couple, what do you mean by equilibrium of a body and state the conditions required for a body to be in equilibrium, numerical sums based on moments and principles of moments, on the basis of moments define the term center of gravity, state the factors on which the center of gravity depends, define uniform circular motion and explain centripetal force, right? Identify the centripetal force in the given uniform circular motion. What is centrifugal force? Why is the centrifugal force not a reaction or real force? Right? The iron door of a building is 4 meter broad. It can be opened by applying a force of 100 newtons. So normally at the middle of the door, the torque needed to open the door is how much? You have to find out this question, right? So these are all the questions which are predicted, which will come in your upcoming जो ICSE 10th का फिजिक्स एग्जाम है उसमें आपका ये सारा क्वेश्चन आने वाला है, right? Then if a body is pivoted at a point and a force of 20 Newton is applied at a distance of 20 centimeter from the pivot, then the moment of a force about the pivot is, right? And you also have to find out what is the position of the center of gravity of a triangular lamina. Then define moment of force, write the relationship between SI and CGS unit of moment of force. Then number 20 question, see, a brass ball is hanging from a stiff cotton thread. Draw a neat label diagram showing the forces acting on the brass ball and the cotton thread. And then why is a jack screw provided with a long arm, right? Then number 21, draw a diagram of the arrangement. What is the weight of the half meter rule? Then these are, देखो ये सारा questions है. Number 24 दे में देखो, on what factor does the position of the center of gravity of a body depend? What is the SI unit of the moment of force? And then name the factors affecting the turning effect of a body. तो ये सारा questions अगर आप कर लोगे तो देखना आपका एग्जाम में आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी अच्छा होगा, राइट? तो ये सारा आपको भी क्या करना है, इन सबको प्रैक्टिस करना है ऑन डेली बेसिस ताकि आपका एग्ज़ाम जो है बहुत अच्छा जाए, राइट? सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक ऑल ऑफ यू। एंड अगर आपको ये सारी वीडियोस पसंद आती है मेरे चैनल को तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा मेरा चैनल, ठीक है?